on our way on our bus. Nag-aantay na namin ng mga kasama namin para makabiyahin namin papuntang Ilocos. Hi kayo!
Ito na kami ng bus.
Hanggang sa dulo ng mundo, hanggang maubos ang ubo.
Hi guys, we're at Mexico, Pampanga in our first stopover. That's good.
Hanggang maubos ang ubo, hanggang bumulong ang luha.
Hi guys, we're here at the Eden Garden to take our break for today.
Bumulong ang luha, bumulong ang luha, bumulong ang luha.
So ayun, nakapila kami to take our breakfast.
Hanggang maubos ang ubo, hanggang dumulong ang luha, hanggang mahulog ang dala. Hanggang mo aking mata, di mo ba nakikita? Ako ngayon, hindi ba nagnasanalita? Gusto mo ba?
So right now guys, we're in the bus. So we're going to our first destination, which is Caporpora Rock Formation. Time check is 6 o'clock in the morning. The Caporpora Rock Formation is located on the rocky coast of Burgos, Ilocos Norte. It is a famous rock formation in the Philippines. So our traveling time to the Caporpora Rock Formation is 6 to 9 a.m. So 2 hours din po yung biyahe natin sa Caporpora Rock Formation.
Hi guys! We're at Caporpora Rock Formation.
Caporpora Rock Formation, it was named after the Ilocano word "pura," which means white, and reference to white limestone formation form over time.
Hanggang sa dulo ng mundo.
Trivia: it is known for its creamy white and streamlined limestone formations which have been sculpted by different oceanic and weather forces from its located in the northern eastern tip of Ilocos Norte.
Hanggang maubos ang ubo, hanggang bumulong ang luha, ubos ang ubo, hanggang bumulong ang luha, ubos ang
Hi guys! We're at
Baguio Windmills was first founded in 1786 and was formally given its currently municipality in 1913.
Did you know they were the first power generating wind turbines in Southeast Asia? Standing along the storyline of Bangi Bay, they harnessed the strong wind from the South China Sea to generate electricity.
ubos ang ubo, hanggang ang ubo. ang ubo.
Guys, now we're here on the bus right now. And we're going to Patapat Viaduct. And traveling time is 8 o'clock to 8:45. Now, time is 8:10. Hinihintay na lang yung ibang classmate namin para makaalis na kami. At nakapunta na doon sa Patapat Viaduct. So, mamaya na lang kami.
Hi guys!
We're here at Patapat Viaduct.
Hanggang ulong ang luha, ubos ang ubo.
Hi guys! We're at Santa Monica Church. We're here at Santa Monica Parish Church. It's a Roman Catholic Parish Church, formerly as a Saran Church. It was built in 1779. It was originally as San Miguel Church.
Hanggang ulong ang luha,
First United Methodist Church of Santa Monica, founded in 1879. This church has a rich history and is known for its commitment to social justice and communication outreach programs.
ulong ang luha, ubos ang ubo.
Hi guys, we're here at
Marcos Museum.
Ubos ang ubo. Hanggang ulong ang luha,
Hanggang dumulong ang luha, hanggang mahulog ang dala.
ubos ang
Today, Malacanang of the North stands as a historical landmark attracting tourists and scholars interested in Phil's story and the Marcos era. Each serves as reminder of the political power and influential yields by the Marcos from during panungkulan. Malacanang of the North ay featured as secret escape tunnel supposedly used by the Marcos from panahon ng emerhensya, kadalasang haka-haka at mga lamat sa lungsod. It has an element mystery, antique, occult, and intrigue to the historical narrative of the mansion. Maaaring nakapaligid sa Marcos from during their time in power.
hanggang ulong ang luha, ubos ang ubo.
Hanggang maubos ang
Good morning guys. So, right now, we're here in Santa Cruz.
Let's go! Ano to?
We're here at Paway Church. San Agustin Church, Paway is a UNESCO World Heritage. The church nakakatiis sa mga lindol at iba pa. Natural calamities over centuries, ginagawang symbol, resilience, and cultural heritage in the Philippines. So, trivia dito. Seashells ang natatanging aspeto ng church construction. I use of course stones, bricks, and lumber with seashells mixed into the mortar. Look guys, oh. Puro bato po yan.
For today's demo, ayan, si Manong Boko is the son of a national folk artist, si Tata Fidel Antupordago, because of his skill and ingenuity in making gurnay. So this afternoon, si Manong naman po ang magde-demo for you. It's all done manually. Okay? So just in case may mga katanungan kayo, you ask Manong Bong. And then after here, pwede na kayong mag-shopping. Okay? I will wait for you outside.